In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Best Buy app. Whether you are on iPhone or Android, you will follow almost the same path, so stay with me as we walk through each screen together. First, open your device App Store. On an iPhone, look for the blue icon with a white A called App Store and tap it once. On Android, look for the multicolor triangle icon called Google Play Store and tap that. When the store opens, you should see a search bar near the top and some featured apps below, which lets you know you are in the right place. Now, use the search feature to look for the app. Tap inside the search bar at the top of the screen, then type Best Buy Tech Deals and Savings in the box. Double-check the words Best and Buy are separate and that you see Tech Deals and Savings in the full app name. Then tap the search button on your keyboard. In a moment, a list of apps will appear, usually with the official Best Buy app near the top, showing the yellow price tag logo on a dark background. Next up, find that official Best Buy entry and start the download. On an iPhone, you will see a button that says Get on the right side of the app name. On Android, the button says Install instead. Tap Get on iPhone or Install on Android. If you see a small cloud icon or a progress circle, that just means you downloaded it before and it is re-downloading. On iPhone, you might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password before the download begins. Once that is done, wait for the app to finish installing. You will see a progress circle slowly fill in, or a bar showing the download status next to the Best Buy logo. Try not to leave the App Store during this time, so you can watch it complete. When the install is done, the button will change to open on both iPhone and Android, and you will also see the Best Buy icon appear on your home screen or in your app list. After that, tap Open. This will launch the Best Buy app for the first time. The screen will fade into the Best Buy welcome view, usually with the logo at the top and some featured product images or banners. If you ever close the app later, you can reopen it by tapping the same Best Buy icon on your home screen rather than going back through the App Store. At this point, sign in with your BestBuy.com account, or create an account if you do not have one. If you already have an account, tap Sign In, then enter the same email and password you use on the Best Buy website. The app will load your saved addresses, orders, and rewards automatically once you sign in. If you need a new account, choose the Create Account option on the screen, fill in your basic details, and confirm. After a moment, you will land on the main home screen with personalized deals and product categories ready to browse. So now you have downloaded the Best Buy app and signed in so you can shop, track orders, and manage your rewards from your phone. If this walkthrough helped you get the app set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple tech guides like this.